One simple click, and all the folders you need is created. Let's learn how to do it in seconds. We need a free and tiny software called Text2 Folders. Download it from here and install, and just click and play ITyug software. This is the software. And here I have some names on which I want to make folders for. Copying all. First, I will show you the manual procedure. Need to fix the folder creation place. It's pen drive. Now pasting the names inside the box. Finally create folders. Done. Within less than a second the folders are created. They are 25 folders altogether. Deleting everything. I'm gonna show the text file procedure. The same names are also written in a notepad page. Saving it. Again, the folder place is my pen drive. And now locating the notepad where I wrote names. Yep. All the folders are created again within a simple second. So, this is the way to get folders easily within a second from your given names. Hope this helped you, and also let us know your remarks in the comment box. Subscribe and inspire. Goodbye.